Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Desire. Today, we're diving into Google's amazing AI music generation tool, Google Flow Music, powered by the advanced Lyria 3.5 model. We'll explore how you can create stunning tracks using simple text prompts, audio, or even an image. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Let's jump right in. As always, I'll start with Google and search for Google Flow Music. The first website you see is the Google Flow Music site. I'll click on it, and we land on this page. Once we're on this page, down here you can see tracks created by other users. You can listen to them to see how Lyria 3.5 performs. Just to test it out, I'll play one of these tracks. That was really good. Now, let's try making one ourselves. In this section, you can write your music prompt. When you click on the plus, you get three options. You can record your voice and send it, upload an existing track or music for it to generate from, or upload an image so it creates music based on the image and its vibe. Here are the settings. By default, it generates music using standard Lyria 3.5, which is free and what we'll be using. The next option is Ghostwriter, which writes the lyrics and song text for you. The third option is our fast and standard models. The fast model builds it quicker, while the standard model takes normal time but delivers higher precision. By clicking on Customize Producer, you can adjust specific preferences for your music, things you always want included, so it generates tracks based on your custom setup. I'm going to skip this step for now. Now, in the prompt section, I created a prompt using ChatGPT that I want to use, so I'll paste it right here. At the end, I'll click Generate to create the music. Its AI agent immediately starts thinking and composing the track. It provides us with the audio along with the fully refined prompt right here. Below that, it displays the lyrics so you can read them yourself, and if there's any mistake, you can click the pencil icon at the top to edit it. It created 2 tracks for us. Let's listen to them together.
Black oil, cold arc, blue signal, future ghost, salt skin, pressure drop. Future ghost, sharp laugh, cold arc, that's distance, sync lock.
It did a great job and created some really awesome tracks for us. I didn't quite like the lyrics of our song, so now I want to paste my own preferred lyrics here. All we have to do is paste our text here and click Generate. It starts thinking and working on my song again. Let's wait together for the music to be generated. The track is ready. Let me play it so we can listen together.
City lights are fading slow. Every street is all I know. Ghosts are dancing in the rain, calling out my name again. Broken mirrors, silent skies, neon dreams behind my eyes. Midnight signal, calling through the dark. Lost for City lights are fading, smile every sign pulls me back through space and time. Midnight signal, call it through the dark, lost forever.
That was fantastic, especially the first one. By clicking these 3 dots, you get access to options like remixing, viewing track details, and most importantly, downloading it. I'm going to download this track in MP3 format and save it to my system. Now, I'll head back to the main page. This time, I want to try a different approach. I'll click the plus, select image, and upload my chosen image. After uploading the image, I'll add a short description so it understands what I'm looking for. I click generate and wait while its agentic system processes it, and after a short moment, it creates the tracks for us. It generated our music. Let's listen to it together.
Rain streaks, slow arc of the blade. 3rd floor window, cold glass. Dip. White clean, white clean, white clean. Rain streaks, slow arc of the blade. 3rd floor window cold. White clean, white clean.
That was brilliant. I really like these tracks as well. On the left side, you can click on Songs. Here you can view all the tracks you've created so far, or delete them if you want. When you join this website, it gives you some free credits to start creating music right away. I've placed the link in the description, so anyone can sign up through my link and start using it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, Google Flow Music powered by Lyria 3.5 is an incredibly powerful tool that can turn almost any idea into a high-quality track. Make sure to check out the referral link in the description to sign up and claim your free credits. Let me know in the comments what style of music you managed to create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Desire. See you in the next one.